Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. Mary here. How are you? Quick facts about me. I am a Filipina. I was born and raised in the Philippines. But I am currently residing in the UK and I'm 23 years old. So super excited today kasi I'm going to speak Tagalog. Today's video is about makeup brands that locally available in my country, which is Philippines. So I'm pretty excited to do a video about it. So enough rambling, let's start. Okay, so my face is not prep yet, kaya gagawin ko na siya ngayon din. Ayan. Kamusta kayo guys? If you are a Filipina at na-reach kayo ng video na ito at nag-click kayo sa video na ito, please comment down below. And using Nivea Men's Sensitive Daily Skin Stubble Lotion. Anyway, any kind of moisturizer you guys, okay lang yan. And I'm using the Bayor UV Watery Essence SPF 50 PA+++++, apat na plus. So I'm using this one because it's very moisturizing sa mukha. So yun na nga, if you're Filipina at naiintindihan mo ang mga sinasabi ko, please comment down below. Dahil wala, nakakatuwa lang kung na-reach ka ng video na to kasi mostly of my video, 99.9% of my video, I speak English. Not because I don't want to speak Tagalog. It's because I wanted to reach both my local home, which is my local country, which is Philippines, and both international and international language is English. Kaya yun, I want to reach both worlds. Pero feeling ko wala akong nare-reach ng mga Pinay. Kaya naisipan ko gumawa ng video na nagsasalita ako ng Tagalog. I'm using Bayor. Bayor. And then I'm gonna use my Nivea lip butter, vanilla macadamia, however you pronounce it. And I think Bayor is available in Watson as well, but in the moisturizer I'm not so sure. Pero kahit anong moisturizer is okay lang. Sunny Space paper bag. I put everything here. So guys, I'm gonna use the very famous Baby Holic Everyday BB Cream in the shade beige. So before pa to naging very sikat sa Pilipinas, I have been using it already. Yung yung nasa sachet lang siya. I super love this product. It doesn't don't expect na magbibigay ito ng full coverage kasi it's not. Very light coverage lang siya, but it gives you a beautiful finish na super fresh lang. Talagang maganda siya guys. So yeah. Talagang pang everyday lang talaga itong yung pang everyday lang talaga itong base. At ang gagamitin ko brush ay from Miniso. Itong brush nila, super fancy. And will directly apply it to my face. So nung nasa Pilipinas ako, ito yung ginagamit ko guys. Nung nag-visit ako 3 weeks ago. Oh no. Ano ba? No, a week ago. So, hindi ko siya siniset ng powder. At hindi naman siya nag-crease kasi parang ano lang to siya, moisturizer. I'm quite comfortable with my blemishes picking out. It doesn't bother me so much. Kaya minsan hindi na rin ako nag-concealer. But I will use concealer today for the video. Gagamitin ko is yung sa Maybelline Instant Age Eraser in the shade Sand. Maybelline concealer in general, guys, ay super ganda. I guess everyone knows it. So this one is the pricier concealer of Maybelline, I think, kasi may mas mura pa nito yung Fit Me. So yun, okay din yun. Ayan, ginaganyan ko lang, guys. Tapos I'm just gonna put it under my eye. Wow, okay, medyo guys, we're done na. So, wala akong powder na galing Philippines. So, quickly set ko lang yung face ko, tapos I'll be back. Okay guys, naset ko na rin ang aking whole face. So, set ko na siya. Ayun naman yung brows. So, yung ginagamit ko nung nasa Pilipinas ako is itong Caroline Best Brow in the shade Taupe, I believe. So, okay naman siya. Kaso nga lang medyo kailangan mo talagang maglagay ng extra effort pag-apply ng brows. And isi-speed up ko lang yung part na to para makasave tayo ng time at hindi ko pa yung ma-board. Okay guys, so I have done my brows. Okay na siya. Isiset ko lang siya ng mascara gamit ang Maybelline Brow Drama Mascara. Pero, I think I'm okay with it. So, yeah, brows done, base done. Okay na tayo dyan. So, before ko i-mention yung mga gagamitin natin sa brush, contour, and highlight, gusto ko lang i-mention itong Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 128 Warm Beige. And I was so happy in a way na meron ako nakita sa Mercury Drug pa to. Pinili ko na meron silang nasa sachet. So, this is really travel friendly. Parang for those na hindi aware na meron ganito, guys, maganda to for traveling at kung kung hindi pa talaga kaya ng bulsa natin for students, high school student or college student, bumili ng bottled na foundation ng Maybelline, I think you can grab this one. Kasi this one gives a lot more coverage than this one. And it's good na meron sila nito nasa sachet kasi travel friendly din siya and student friendly din siya. So, yeah, it is really, really nice. Yeah, natuwa lang ako kasi meron silang ganito. And Maybelline foundations are one of my all-time favorite foundation. And they are really, really good. Like, literally. Maganda talaga sila. So, ayun na nga. Mainly, tapos na tayo sa base natin. Yung... Sorry guys, sa noise. Yung gagamitin ko para sa mukha ay itong EB Advance Face 3U nila. Meron na tong highlighter, may blush na din, at saka bronzer. So, pinabili ko to sa Watson and it is 275 pesos. So, yeah, it comes in a white packaging. I think marami na kayo nakakita nito and maybe some of you meron na rin nito. Pero, ito siya. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick swatch sa highlighter. Ooh. So, may highlighter na kayo, may blush at saka bronzer. And I super like the tone of the bronzer kasi hindi siya masyadong orange. Talagang maganda talaga siya. And then, the highlighter as well, it's yellow undertone. Bagay na bagay siya sa mga Pilipina. Because, yung undertone natin, as Asian ay yellow undertone talaga, mga warm undertone tayo, guys. So, I am going to use that today and I am really excited. Focus. Watson. From Everbelena. I mean, blush sa Careline tsaka yung highlighter nila sa Everbelena. Pero, pinakita sa akin, swatch siya ng ng CS Lady. Ganda naman siya. Tsaka, kinuha ko na lang din. So, yan ang bronzer natin. Super, super... Gamitin ko lang din yung same bronzer for my nose. Ayos na yan. And then, excited ako sa highlighter, guys. Gamitin natin yung highlighter. I was thinking to use the other highlighter nila, pero eto na lang. Nandito na rin ito eh. Guys, may panglalaban talaga siya. Diba? Sulit na to, guys. Yung trio nila. Tapos, may ligtag ako maglagay dito. Dito sa ating ilong. Okay na yan. Gamitin ko yung kamay ko sa aking inner corner. Yan, you guys. So, ayos na no. Maghalo lang ako nitong dalawang color. I mean, tong tatlong to, haluin ko lang. Ilagay ko lang siya dito. Para may kulay lang yung lids. Ito namang yung highlighter na to yung may pinaglalaban. Okay, the last but not the least, guys, is mascara ako. Quickly lang. Gamitin ko tong Maybelline Total Temptation. And I'll be back. Okay guys, ito na yung aking, hindi ko na talaga siya inayos paglagay. I still have leftover ng aking eyelash extension. At super nahihirapan pa ako maglagay ng mascara kasi nandyan pa sila. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Pero malapit na sila maubos. Kaya siguro hintayin ko na lang. Tapos, yung ating lipstick na gagamitin is from Everbelena as well. In the shade Raw Burgundy. Ito yung Advanced Lip Define Matte Lipstick nila. Super naging favorite ko to nung nandun ako. Talagang, I think 5 straight ko siyang ginamit. 5-6 days straight ko siyang ginamit. Pero, gusto ko lang i-clarify na drying siya sa lips. Very matte nga talaga siya. So, kapag yung lips nyo is prone ng cracking or ng drying, moisturizer lang kayo. Tapos, pwede nyo na rin siya i-apply. And, ayan. Ma-avoid nyo naman siya. Color. And, ayan. Tapos na tayo guys. Super simple lang ng look. I know, mahaba-haba tong video na to kasi ang dami kong sat-sat. But, that's the finished look, you guys. Sobrang, you wouldn't even believe na local products lang to sa atin. And, super ganda niya na rin mag-perform. And, nag-spray sana ako nitong Avene Thermal Spring Water. Okay, spray ko lang. Wow. Ang lamig. Okay guys, eto na yung look natin. Sana nagustuhan nyo siya. Super baga namang highlight na to, lumalaban. Guys, salamat. Salamat sa panunood. Sana nagustuhan nyo to. And if you really do, then sana bigyan nyo to ng like and subscribe na rin kayo para may kasama ako. And ayun, thank you so much. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!